Well, all right. This is a 2021 Nissan NV200. Customer came in with a complaint that the PS light is on the dash and there is no power steering. The steering is extremely heavy, very hard to turn, and he wanted me to fix it. First things first, you want to check the fuses. The fuses for it right here, it's a 60 amp. Visually it's good, but I was able to pry that little glass thing up to make sure that it is getting power, and yes, it is getting power. Next place you want to check is right here and make sure that these fuses are all good and not blown as well. Obviously, always make sure that your terminals are nice and tight. Looking inside, I got under the dash to see the actual electric power steering unit on this car, and the motor is tucked up way up there. But this right here, let's get in here. This right here is a power steering control module. Probably access it from here. And those are the connectors for it. What you want to do, Johnny's trying to light like that. You want to probe these two red wires. One coming in, one going out to the motor. The blue one is the one that goes out to the power steering motor. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that this red wire is getting power. If this is getting power, but your output is not there, the top one, if that's not getting any power, you need to go ahead and replace this power steering control module. At a dealership, they'll set you back about $600. I was able to find one used. It's not hard to do. It's just two Phillips head screws. Let's see if I can get in there to show you where they are. Okay. Yep, as you can see, there's two Phillips screws right here. You undo your connectors, you replace it. It is not that difficult. The codes that this vehicle was throwing was a C1606, and that's it. That was the only code in the steering module, and this is the culprit. Replace that module, and let me show you. And we're good to go. We got power steering back. What you're going to want to do is you want to turn the after you install everything, you want to turn your steering wheel all the way to the right, hold it for 5 seconds, then turn it back all the way to the left, hold it for 5 seconds, bring it back straight, turn the ignition off, wait for 5 seconds, and restart the car, and that'll zero out the calibration for your steering as well. Good luck.